Hello, my name is Julio Trillo and I'm from Palma de Mallorca, Spain. The goal of my project is to design a computerized maintenance management system or CMMS. In other words, maintain by means of a web page a database of information about an organization's maintenance operations. I will explain how this page works through an example. I will create a maintenance element or ME for short and allocate a task to it, so it would be possible to generate work orders for the ME. The database has been pre-populated with some data such as buildings, locations, devices, and so on. An ME arises from the relationship between a location and a device. We can select both location and device by the drop-down menus, and location also by clicking on a row in the table below. We should also provide a description of the maintenance element. A task is an operation that can be performed over an ME. In this case, we will generate one for reading the water meter and set a frequency in months of 1. Now we can allocate the task to a maintenance element by clicking on the tables or by the drop-down menus. Now it's time to generate the work orders. We will do it by selecting the building and the date until which work order will be generated. As we can see, a new work order has been created and added to the open work orders table in the main page. Now we can close this work order by selecting it in the drop-down menu or by clicking it on the table. We also have to specify a date on which the work order has been closed and the time spent on it. Finally, we can check all the work orders in a building, the open and the close, so we can keep track of all the operations performed. To create this web page, I use HTML, PHP and JavaScript. Well, this was my final project. Thanks for watching.